Hi everyone, we're here today at Downtown Disney District at Disneyland Resort in front of the prior location to Rainforest Cafe, where a Star Wars Rebel base shopping area will be opening shortly. They have added a few exterior decorations, metal framework above this light. Once you go around to the side of Rainforest Cafe, you will notice at the top they have added some more temple decor, a few vents. That's all for right now. We will keep an eye out and keep you guys updated. There is no set opening date yet, but we hope to see it opening soon. Thanks for watching.